Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew, and it's a Christmas holiday season, and I want you to feel the spirit of Christmas by unboxing a random blind boxes from PopMart, which has a limited or Christmas-related theme series or figures. So these figures has been sitting with me for a very long time because some of these are old, but I kept them, and I keep holding myself to open this one because I want them to open this holiday season for the Christmas vibe. So, some of this one or some of the figures are old already, and I added some figures that you might like as well. And I have some new, like the apple of my eye that just released a couple of days or weeks ago. So I'm so excited to share it with you. And these figures or this holiday unboxing is for you guys. So what are you waiting for? Or what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin with the unboxing of the blind boxes, let me share it with you first the freebies that I received from PopMart during my recent purchase. So I got the gingerbread man. It's a hang card like a different gingerbread cookies theme figures like I believe this is Pucky, this is Skull Panda, this is Labubu the Monster, this is Sweet Bean, Dimu, Royal Molly, this is Crybaby, and I'm not sure if this is Ziga. Let's see. Maybe not. Oh, I'm not sure if that's Siga. Is this Siga, guys? If you think this is Siga, let me know. And I'm not going to open this one because I want to keep them here in a hang card because look how Christmassy this one. It's a gingerbread man. They look like a cookies. I mean, a mini cookies. I just hope that Pop Mart will sell cookies soon, like this shape of Pop Mart figures. So yeah, I received this one as a freebie, and I got another freebie from Pop Mart. But I don't think this one is a freebie because you have to redeem some certain points to receive this one, and you just have to add this one on your purchases so that it will be included for the delivery. I got this one during my birthday month, so Pino Jelly, surprisingly, they gave Pino Jelly during my birthday month, and if you can see in my background, I have a lots of Pino Jelly so far because I really love Pino Jelly artwork and figures because they have this unique and weird and adorable figures at the same time. Yeah, that's why we're going to unbox a lot of blind boxes of Pino Jelly as well for today's vlog. So this one, I'm gonna open this one because I wanna see how it will look like in outside of this pack or packaging. And I guess this is a pin badge. I'm not sure. Yeah, if you can see here, 2025 November birthday limited badge international version. Yeah. So let's see. Pino Jelly juice 50% Pop Mart Pino Jelly. Okay, it's a pull out box. Let me show you. Look how cute and beautiful. Very adorable, very colorful. It's so pink. I'm not sure what's inside of this one. Okay, nothing here. And yeah, it's a magnet pin badge. Look, it's a magnet pin badge. You have to remove this one here. And it's stick here. There's like an art card. Maybe not. It's just a plain one. Okay, it's just stick on a glue. Oh, this one is so nice. And the magnet is so strong. Look how strong the magnet. Wow, cool. I can pin this one on my shirt. Very nice. I used to wear black shirt, so this one will be an added accessory to my shirt. Before I have this I know Hiron as well, a pin badge. That was my first. So this one is my second, and I really like the finish of this one. It's like a glass one, stained glass. Very cool. I like this. What can you say about this pin badge, magnet pin badge, I believe, of Pino Jelly? You can comment down below. So let's start now with unboxing of the blind boxes, and let me proceed with another Pinot Jelly. I'm not sure if this is Christmas related, but let me add this one for our Christmas theme, because Pinot Jelly are like Christmas figures. So yeah, this one I all yeah, if you watch my previous vlog, I only have the Happy Gummy Bear, the Sugar Cube, uh the Sun Fudge, and the Sleeping Candy, which I had a lot of multiple duplicates of this one. I just hope I won't get another duplicate of this or any of the figures that I have now. You can see in my background. That's why I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, because if this will be another duplicate, I'm going to show it to you, the art card only and the figure at the back, and I'm not going to tear the foil, and I might sell them on my Dish Dust page. So yeah, from this lineup, I really want to get the bubble gum, the lollipop, the popping candy, and the smooth candy. And I guess chocolate egg and breath mint are cool as well. Actually, they are all cute and adorable. That's why I was sad that I didn't get the full set, and I kept getting single boxes and unfortunately a lot of duplicates. So let's see. Let me unbox now this one, and I'm so excited to get a non-duplicate figure and add this one in my collection. So let me check first the art card. Where's the art card? Let me remove now the foil, and this is the art card. I hope it's not a duplicate. One, two, three. Yeah, it's not a duplicate. Oh wait. Sugar blend. Okay. Sugar blend, sugar blend. Whoa! Oh, wait. Whoa! Guys, what the? Don't tell me this is a secret. Secret, 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 secret. Oh no! Oh my! This is the super secret! No, I cannot figure this out. Oh my god! A super secret! A single box, and it's a super secret! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my! One, two, three. Yes! The super secret, guys! Oh my gosh! I'm so overwhelmed! Oh no! Yeah, it's a super secret, right? What the? Look! It's so beautiful! It's like a melted candy or a marshmallow. He's wearing this purple robe with the yellow tie, with a rubber ducky, with this blow dryer. That's why he's melting, because of the blow dryer. Oh my god! It looks like a swirl chocolate, a mix of milk and strawberry chocolate. Oh my, guys, super secret for a single box. I'm so lucky. What can you say about this one? I know you will like this. Please comment down below. So let's proceed with another two blind boxes from Pinot Jelly. Again, I'm not sure if these are uh like a Christmas buy, but Pinot Jelly, hard and shiny, are like gems on the Christmas tree, and I really really like this series. And I had a couple of figures from this lineup. I have the February, which is the Mamba. I had the April Bridegroom. I had the July Queen. I have the November, my birth month. Why it's not displayed here? But yeah, and I had duplicates from February, the Mamba. So let's see. So from this lineup, they are both heavy. I wanna get the September, which is the Nightingale. Wanna get the the king because I already have the queen. And October, which is the Pegasus, looks so cool as well, very colorful. So let's see. I can still move on with my super secret. A very first box, and it's a super secret. So let me unbox the second one now. I hope it's not a duplicate. Let me show you the art card first because you know I might get a duplicate and I'm not going to tear the foil. One, two, three. Oh, the January, the night. Look how beautiful the art card, guys. Very nice one. Let me unbox this one now. One, two, three. Wow, cool. Look how beautiful. This collection or series looks like a fine gem to me. I'm not sure what kind of gem is this, but yeah, look how beautiful the details. I'm not sure if this is ruby or purple ruby. This is the knight from this lineup. I really like this one. Not so fancy, but if you can see the finishing of the helmet and the suit, it's pearlescent finish, and you can see the translucent figure or the material that they use on Pinot Jelly's head, on the body. It's hard and it's a combination of like if you can see the face of Pinot Jelly here, it's like a crack stone, and here it's like a rubber. Very nice. I actually like this one. Not my prio, but it can be added to my collection. So, what can you say about January the night? You can comment down below. So, let's proceed with our next box for Pinot Jelly Hard and Shiny. And let me just give you a recap. I have the January, February, April, July, and November. So, let's see. I hope my prio. I hope I'll get my prio. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, careful. Okay, the foil and the art card. One, two, three. Oh, yeah! I got the king! I got the king now! My queen has the pair! Wow, I'm so lucky today! I'm getting what I want. Look how beautiful! Yes, you know that I'm collecting figures with a crown. If you're watching my previous vlog, please visit my other videos. And look how beautiful, how cool the green. It's like an emerald one. I like the crown of the king here with some gems on the top. And look, the cape, it's purple with a lot of black hearts with the hearts on the side. Very cool one. Now my queen has a pair. What can you say about this figure, guys? Look how cute the details of the stone for the hands and feet of Pinot Jelly. You can comment down below, guys. Very nice. Now we are here for our Pinot Jelly Make-A-Wish series. And now this is actually a Christmas figure. So, yeah, let's see. I got another four because I found this collection or series very adorable. And I have two only, if you can see, on the acrylic display of mine. I had the fruit candy cane already. And, what the other one I had? Oh, the snowman popsicle. Okay. So they have 12 confirmed figures and another two secrets, one secret and another super secret. And I really wanna get the hungry reindeer. I wanna see Santa is busy, which is the Santa Claus. I wanna get the lucky elf and the star donut. So let's see. Let me check this one at the bottom part. I hope I won't get a duplicate. show you the art card first, the foil, and the art card. One, two, three. Oh, chocolate teddy bear. Maybe not my pride, but let's see if I'm going to like the actual figure. One, two, three. Oh, this is actually nice and cool. He looks like a teddy bear here and a chocolate teddy bear. And he's wearing this bolero striped orange one with a like a maroon bow at the back. And even the ears of Pino Jelly here is like a teddy bear ears and it's a chocolate one. And if you can see or if you can check this one inside, it's a shaker. There's a lot of, maybe it's not a glitter but a snowflake. I hope you can see this one. It's like a snowflake. And there's a heart chocolate one here with the name of Pino inside with the golden details and a golden tag here. Very nice. I actually like this one, surprisingly. I can add this one in my collection for Christmas Pino Jelly. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box and open up this one. Because I'm so excited, I'm getting beautiful figures. And for the Christmas spirit, it seems like I had a best gift ever for Christmas. So let's see. Let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. Okay, carefully. I don't like to destroy the box. The foil. Oops, it's not. And the art card. One, two, three. Ooh, waiting for Aurora. Okay. Oh! Oh no! Guys, what the heck? Another super secret! Oh! Oh my god! Guys! Yeah, they have different art card. And we got the super secret again! Oh no! I'm so excited! What the heck? One, two, three. Oh no! My heart is melting and we got another super secret of Pino Jelly! What the heck? Look how beautiful the cave of Pino Jelly here is a pearlescent finish. Look the details. And it looks like a color of the Aurora Borealis. Is that right? Borealis? Borealis. Look how beautiful. Is it a shaker? No. But there's some house inside of his head. And this one, it's like a chimney and there's a smoke of heart going out of Pino Jelly here. Wow! Guys, what is this? Two secret and super secret for this vlog. What a lucky day. What a Christmas spirit vibe. I love this vlog. I love this. I love this. Guys, I have two super secret of Pino Jelly. What can you say about this one? Very nice. Please comment down below. So let's go now with our next box. Oh my goodness. Am I going to get another secret? I'm so happy. It looks like I'm so blessed for today's vlog with this super secret. Please don't give me jinx. So okay, let's proceed now with the third box of Pino Jelly Make a Wish. I'm so, you know, my heart is racing so fast. So let me do a recap first. I have already the snowman popsicle, the fruit candy cane, the chocolate teddy bear, and of course the super secret. Okay, let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate because I get these figures separately. Oops. Why this box is so hard? It has too much glue stick on it. Okay, art card. Oops, peeking in. We got, oh, I got Santa Claus. Santa is busy. Yay! Why? I'm getting my prize here. One, two, three. Oh no, this is so cute. Guys, look. Look how beautiful, how adorable Pino Jelly here as a Santa Claus. I like the combination of this black and this deep sea blue hands of Pino Jelly. He's wearing this Santa hat with a backpack. Very nice one with the mustache. Look closer. How beautiful. And there's a blue wrap gift inside of Pino Jelly's head here with white ribbon. And it's another shaker on the head. Ha. And I'm so tired because my energy is so high because I'm getting a lot of beautiful figures now. Wow. A very happy Christmas. This is Santa BC Pino Jelly. Please comment down below. Let's go with our last box for Pino Jelly Make a Wish series. So let's see. I'm so excited to unbox this one now because I'm getting a lot of beautiful figures now. Mm-hmm. Okay, foil, art card. One, two, three. Oh, the lucky elf. Let's see if this one is beautiful in actual figure. One, two, three. Oh, yeah, it is. Wow. Look how beautiful he has this translucent jade green wings at the back, and he has this beautiful hands and feet, translucent feet with an orange hat or an orange bolero. I'm not sure what kind of hat this one. And if you can see inside Pino Jelly's head, it's a what you call this? It's a clover leaf. Actually, it's a clover leaf inside, and this one looks a clover leaf as well. Very nice. And he looks like a grumpy elf here. Very cute, very adorable. I got a lot of beautiful figures from this series. I guess I should collect the full set. What do you think, guys? Can you comment down below if you want me to collect the full set of this series? Yeah, comment now. So, guys, let's proceed with Azura Fantasy Warm Christmas series. Before I'm going to proceed with Azura, if you're still watching right now and if you are having fun with this video, please don't forget to like and share this video, guys. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and help me reach a 1,000 subscribers. That will be a very best gift for me. So guys, see, let me show you the lineup. I unboxed these some figures from this series before. If you watch my previous vlog, I had the gingerbread party already, and I forgot which is the other figure. I guess gift party I had already. Now I forgot because I had too much videos already. So from this lineup, I wanna see. I wanna see the golden reindeer, the golden reindeer, the glimmering frost, the wishful candlelight, which is in the cover, I guess, because she has a crown also. So let's see. I'm so excited. I hope I'll get my prio or might be a secret again. What do you think? I'm so abusive with that one, but I really like a beautiful figures and a secret, of course. The foil. Oh, let me show you first the art card before the inclusion. One, two, three. Oh, the one in the cover. Wishful candlelight. Look how beautiful the art card. It's like a gift card that you can write something here if you want to give this one as a gift to your friends and loved ones. And this is the inclusion. No, Very nice inclusion. Let me fix the inclusion first. How should I put this one here? Okay. So, oh, is it like this? Oh, oh, okay, here. It's like a window from the church. Nice one. Nice stand. Look how beautiful. Oops. It's not that strong to build, but I'm going to put some glue if needed. So this is the figure. The wishful candlelight. One, two, three. Okay. Wait. Oh my goodness. Surprisingly, Azura here is so beautiful. Look, she looks like an angel here with the wings, with some uh snowflakes as a design on the wings. Look at the back, it's pearlescent finish. The dress of Azura is translucent. It's blue, gradient blue. And if you can see, the hair of Azura is pearlescent finish. It's just there's some, I'm not sure, maybe a smudge. I have to clean that one. And she's holding this blue candlelight. It's like a gummy finish as well. And she's wearing this blue crown. Wow, this is so beautiful. Let me put her on the stand properly. Oh, nice. Oops, I moved my camera. And this one is so cool. Look, look, how beautiful. Wow. What can you say about Asura, guys? Wishful Candlelight. You can comment down below. Let's proceed with another Asura. Yay! I'm getting beautiful figures. So let's see if this another Asura will be adorable as well. Oops, because I have some Asuras, guys. If you watch my previous vlog, you can check it out. Oh, boy. Oh, spoiler! We got, oh, the decorating the tree. I thought decorative. That's why. Decorating the tree. Okay. Not my prior, but let's see if this is beautiful enough. And I guess it's a very Christmas vibe. Wow. Yes, it is beautiful. Look, Azura here is wearing like a Christmas tree here. Let me put her in the stand. Actually, I really like the stand surprisingly. It's like a gift box, but I don't know how. Okay, look. Surprisingly, this one is so beautiful. Wow. It's so pearlescent. It's like a gift wrap. She has this red ribbon, big red ribbon saying it's Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas on the other side. And she has this like a crown of a star, like the tip of the Christmas tree. Very cool. And she has this red bow, pearlescent finish bow, and some gold details for the Christmas tree. Actually beautiful. A very Christmas one. So this one is a happy Christmas. Very nice. What can you say about Azura decorating the tree figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the Monsters Coca-Cola, and I'm not sure if they are Christmas related theme, but they look like one. That's why I included them in this vlog. And if you can see, or if you watch my previous vlog, I already had the I forgot what I had. Oh, the crazy ride. I had the crazy ride as well, and the gift delivery. So I really wanna get the little snowman. Time to cool down and surf with me. So let's see. Let's see. Oops. Okay. Oops. I hope it's not a duplicate. One, two, three. Oh, look what I found. Look what I found. Look. Okay. It's not a secret. Okay, so let's see. One, two, three. Oh. Look, oh, he looks like he's fishing on the ice, and he got this Coca-Cola bottle. Very nice. This is so cute. Very clever. I like the scarf of Labubu here. It's flat finish. It's a red one. And yeah, he looks like he's having a good time fishing. And he got this Coca-Cola bottle. Look how detailed this one. Very cute. And I really like white Labubu. That's why I got some of these. So what can you say about Labubu? Look what I found. Do you think it's Christmas related? Please comment down below. So let's go with another Coca-Cola The Monsters series. So let's see if we are able to get what I really like, because I really like the Serve With Me and the Time to Cool Down and Little Snowman. So let's see, guys. Okay. Oh, I hope it's not a duplicate. One, two, three. Yeah! We got the Surf With Me! Yay! Look! Okay. I hope it's cool in an actual figure. One, two, three. Okay, there's a protector. Wow, very cool. I like the surfing board. It's Coca-Cola design with this design on the tip of the surfboard. Very nice. How detailed. Very simple one. He's wearing these red sunnies, having a good time with a Coca-Cola bottle. Wow, this one is so cool. Very simple figure. I like better. I like this one much better. But yeah, it's an additional collection for me. What can you say, Labubu, about Labubu? Surf with me, guys. Please comment down below. So guys, we still have two boxes left. So I'm going to unbox this one on the last part because this is the new release from Pop Mart. And I believe this one, the Molly Anniversary Statues Classical Retro, it's old, but they just included them now for sale. And this one is not a figurine, but it's a candle. I need a candle, and I really like a scented candle. So this one is a scented candle blind box. And this is the lineup from this series. I really like to get the Molly M because I have this figure already. I want the one with the crown. I had my another half figure of this one. So I guess I have this one also in the figure. So I really want to get this one, the one with the crown. I have this one also in the figure. Okay, let's see. I want to get either of these two, the one in the cover or the one in the crown, or if we are able to secure a secret. So let's see. Let me unbox this one on the top because I'm not going to sell this one, and this is I got only one only. So let's see if we are lucky enough. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, I saw my spoiler already. It's on the top. Okay. We got the my another half, which I have this figure by the way. So let's see how it looks like as a candle. This is my first time to unbox or purchase a scented candle from Pop Mart. They have this styrofoam protector, and this is the top cover. Look, I should get my display of the other one, and this one looks so like a rubber finish. You can still see how intricate the details of the figure. It looks like a statue. Very nice one with this purple cover. It's a rubberized as well. And let me get the candle. Oh, it's just so small. Hmm. Okay. Let me smell it. Hmm. I don't know what smell is this. Hmm. Look, it's Molly. This is how it looks like. Surprisingly, it's just a small candle for that price. I'm not sure if the price is worth enough. It's quite expensive, by the way, but maybe because of the figure on the top. Well, I don't know how they will put this one here. Maybe this is just like a string that you can hang on. I'm not sure how. I'll just tie this one up like this, and let me see how it looks like. Maybe you just have to hang like this one. I'm not sure how. How should I put that one? Maybe not cool. Ah, anyway, this is just like a hang card. The smell, I'm not sure about. Maybe this is one is patchouli, but it smells like uh uh-huh. I'm not sure what smell is this one. Let me check. Okay. Maybe it smells like patchouli and like maybe citrus. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to light up this one soon, very, very soon. But for the meantime, I'm just going to display this scented candle of Molly. What can you say about this one, guys? You want to buy as well, or you want to collect this kind of scented candle? The glass is like folded, folded or dented glass. It's a nice one. Very nice. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So the moment of truth, our finale, Apple of My Eye series, and they have 6 confirmed figures only here, and one secret, which is I believe Hirono. This is the red Hirono. I guess Hirono here is green one, but they should, for me, just for me, they should do a different design of Hirono because the secret they just changed the color into green. So yeah, maybe I'm a bit disappointed with that one. So from this lineup, of course, I wanna get Hirono as I collect Hirono. The Wonderful Spin. I actually any of them, it's good with me because I got one only. So let's see, guys. I'm going to unbox this one here because I wanna keep the box again in a good condition for future sale, for future sale or dispatch. Okay, I don't want to see any spoiler yet. Let me pull out the foil and let's be surprised. Whoever will be, maybe, will be a better or a beautiful figure. So let's unbox this. One, two, three. Oh, Molly! We got Molly! Look! She's wearing this beautiful dress. Wow. She looks like a little Red Riding Hood here. Like this one, it's like I'm not sure if this is an apple or a maybe a half of apple with a lot of design. Okay, let me check the full inclusion. Oh, there's so much. And we have this art card. Oh, and we have this kind of white and red pom-poms. And she has this light to hold on like this. She has to put this one here, and you have to tie the string here. I guess you have to hang this one on your Christmas tree. I don't have a Christmas tree, guys. Maybe you want to give me one. Anyway, this should be hung like this. Look, is it beautiful to hang on your Christmas tree? And you have to put, I'm not sure why you have to put all of these pom pom balls here because they might drop while it is hung. Oh, see? And it has too much pom pom balls. Oh no! See? I drop a lot pom pom balls. Guys, I'm sorry. I drop a lot of pom pom balls because they are too small. You have to stick them inside of this. Oops. I'll pick up other pom pom balls later on. So, yeah. What can you say about this figure, guys? No, they're not dropping off. You just have to stick them inside. And it's so beautiful, actually. I like Molly here. She looks so beautiful. She looks like a, our little Red Riding Hood here. Maybe I'm just looking for the leaf. There's no leaf here. So, guys, what can you say about the figure of Molly for the apple of my eye, the candlelight fairy tale? You can comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. And these beautiful pieces in front of you or on the bottom part are my favorites. Of course, you can see I have two super secrets, guys. Look, I'm so lucky for this vlog. And it's like a best gift ever for me for this holiday season of having a two super secrets of one of my favorite IPs, which is Pino Jelly. And of course, the lineup are so beautiful and so adorable. Even those figures on the top of these figures, they are also cute and beautiful. And I'm a fan of Pino Jelly. I'm so biased with Pino Jelly as well. And of course, if you have other favorites from what I unboxed for today's vlog, you can comment down below your favorites. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, guys, it's a best gift for me if you're going to subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you have other opinions or suggestions that you want me to unbox in the future, you are free to comment down below. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!